gonna go pick up Kat from the airport.
Ay, nakakonect pala. Nakakonect yung ano mo.
Plug.
If you wanna go and take a wow with me. Actually, di ko alam eh, saan ba?
Kay Moyer. Taekwondo ni
Punta kami ng, ano pangalan? Mahogany?
Oo.
Mahogany. Kasi, promotion ngayon ng minsan ni Kim sa taekwondo.
Oo, may insurance siyang bago na ipopromote. At saka life insurance pa.
Open-minded ba kayo?
Ito si ate. Hello? Si ate Grace. Nakita namin kanina si Beck and Kai. Beck and Kai. Hello.
Oo, pero hindi kami naka-video kasi na-starstruck kami.
Yeah. Ang ganda ni ate Beck. I mean, ni ate Kai. Okay, sige. See you later. Pag nandun na kami, kumukuha na kami ng life insurance. Andiyan na.
Paparazzi, this is good.
Okay, now we're gonna go to...
Okay now?
Saan ba tayo?
1:30th.
130th daw.
Ano?
Shopping pa.
Mag-shopping ng mga Christmas
Christmas.
presents.
Oo, kasi pag next week na namin gagawin, masyadong busy na may work kami this week. So, lulubos-lubosin na namin.
Totoo yan. So proud of you, Moy.
So proud of you, Moyer!
Moyer, I'm so proud of you. Good job.
So
Ate
proud of you.
Moyer, I
my
love
lads.
you. Ang cute kapag ganun. Okay, we bought some gifts. Look, V and Ross. And then now, I don't know where we're going. Ay, ito pa pala. Okay, that was it for the weekend. Andito na nga si Kat. Ayan ang kanyang office ngayon. And then, nothing. So to recap, ayun nga, nag-shopping kami for Christmas presents. Tapos, pumunta kami dun kay Moy sa taekwondo niya. And then, I think that's it. Pumunta pala kami ng party kahapon. No, pumunta kami ng party nung Sunday. Christmas party siya ng family friends namin dito sa Calgary. Tapos, may mga videos ako dun. So, probably that's the next video. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's been so cold in Calgary. It's been minus 30s here. Tapos, windshield is minus 40 something. Tama ba sinasabi ko? I don't know, pero malamig. Super lamig. I'm not used to it anymore. So far, wala kaming ganaps dito in Calgary. We've just been working. Ayan, si Kat working. And then me, I'm working. And then, seeing family, friends. That's it. Nothing else. I have nothing to say. I don't know.
Kasi wala kaming masyadong ganap dito ngayon. Kasi nga, although andito naman kami sa ibang province, nag-work pa rin naman kami. So parang, hindi siya entirely vacation. So kaya,
yeah, wala kami masyadong mag-vlog and anything. Hindi rin mas snow, malamig lang talaga. Kaya, wala. I can't even do like anything. It's so cold. It's so cold. It hasn't been this cold in so long. Tapos ngayon, minus 30, 40. It's crazy. Tapos biglang rise ng temperature in a few days. Ngayon yung pinaka-coldest, I think, which is minus 35 kanina, nakalagay. Tapos, in a few days, it's gonna be like minus 7. So, good luck naman sa mga immune system namin. But anyways, siguro, itour ko kayo dito sa bahay ng parents ko. But it's really, really messy right now. Kaya hindi pa muna. Inaayos pa namin para hindi masyadong magulo pag nag-tour ng house. Yun lang. Napaka cold looking lang sa labas. Tapos may humihilik dito si Charlie, tulog na tulog. Pakinggan nyo. Naririnig pa, hindi ko alam. Anyways, that's it. Oh, nakita nga pala namin si Kuya Beck and Ate Kai dun sa Cross Iron Mills nung nagpunta kami dun. Tapos, hindi na kami nakapag-video kasi nga ang bilis ng pangyayari. Tapos, hindi naman namin na-expect na makita sila. Pero, super happy kami na nakita sila. And we're gonna have dinner with them on 26th, I think, is the date. Yeah, yun lang. Hopefully, there's another ganap so we can update you, but we don't have ganaps. Siguro next na video na nito is our Christmas thing. So, yeah. See you again next time. Thanks for watching. And si Kat, busy na siya sa work. Stressed the cat girl. Okay, bye.